Good evening guys. Once again, dito na naman ako. My name is Raymond Gigot. Magre-report ulit about the application of base coat. Okay, for our automotive major. Okay. Good evening sir Sam Botona and my classmates. So, may matutunan na naman tayo dito sa application of base coat. Alright. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so step in applying base coat. Number 1, prepare the surface. Dapat may objective ulit tayo. May mga target na dapat ma-prepare natin yung mga surfaces. Okay. So, make sure the primer is purely cured. Okay. So, pag mag-a-apply ka ng base coat, dapat yung primer mo is fully dry at saka fully healed. After that, the second step is sand the frame surface with 800 to 1000 grit sandpaper to remove imperfections. Ito siya yung 800 to 1000. Ito na yung pinakamanipis na sandpaper. Manipis na pagliliha. Para ma-remove yung mga imperfection or yung mga uneven na surfaces. Alright? So next, clean the area with wax and grease remover. So, sabi nga dito daw, clean the area with wax. So, ginagamitan siya ng mga wax. Ito siya, naranasan ko to nung pero for final coating na kasi yun siya. So, dito, di ko nagigets kung clean the area with wax and grease remover. Oo. Ito yung mga may mga contaminated na nire-remove para smooth lang yung pagbe-base coat. Okay? So next, wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. So when you are conducting a base coating, ito nga, wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. Ito yung panglinis lang to siya para matanggal yung mga dumi-dumi o yung mga dust galing sa pagliliha mo. Okay? Dapat ilinisan mo siya. Okay. So next. Mix the base coat. Okay. Follow the paint manufacturer's mixing ratio. Commonly 1:1 with reducer. 1:1 daw yung mix the coat. Okay, next, mix thoroughly to achieve consistent color and texture. So dito daw, mix thoroughly to achieve daw consistent color. Dapat tuloy-tuloy lang para ma-achieve daw yung kulay at saka smooth texture ng pagbe-base coat. Okay. Next, number 3, spray the first coat, mist coat. Okay. Hold the spray gun 6 to 8 inches away. Ito naranasan ko to nung nag-cleanis kami and nung nag-spray ako dun sa shop namin. Dapat malayo daw yung distansya kung mag-apply ka ng spray. Para magkalayat, parang mag-spread yung yung paint ng kung gusto mo mag-coating. Yung pag dapat malayo daw. 6 to 8 inches away. Okay, apply a light, even mist coat. Ito naman siya sa apply a light. Hindi ko gaano siya naintindihan dito, even mist coat. Basta, hindi ko talaga siya nagigets. Apply a light, even mist coat. Basta next na. This help the next coat stick better. So, tumutulong daw ito para yung pag next coating mo is mas better sa first coating. Okay, may mga first coating, second coating yan siya. May mga third coating, yung mga ganun. Okay, next. Number 4, apply second coat, medium coat. Ito kanina is first coating ata to. First coating. Ito. second coating. Okay, spray evenly from side to side. So yung pag-spray daw kasi wag lang daw naka-steady, dapat yung pag-spray yung mga gano'n, no, up and down, side to side, dapat ganun daw yung pag-spray. Tsaka wag lang i-long press yung ganun, long press lang, dapat press lang, ano. Like for example, mag-spray ka ganun, no, mag-spray ka, dapat naka-press ganun, no, yung ganun, tapos press na naman, yung ganun daw. Okay, next, ensure 50% overlap to avoid stripping. To ano to dito, ensure 50% overlap to avoid stripping. Hindi ko talaga to gets. So next, allow 5 minutes to 10 minutes flush. Eto daw dito sa third line, dapat mag-wait daw tayo ng 10 minutes. 5 minutes to 10 minutes para ano daw yung drying time. Para fully drying na siya. Okay, between the coats. Okay, so next, apply third coating. Pagkatapos ng second coating, 5 to 10 minutes, dito na papasok yung third coating. Okay, fully wet coat. So, number 1, we have this coat brings out the full color. So, yun na nga, lumalabas na daw yung full na color ng kung ano yung napili mong kulay. Okay? Do not apply too thick to avoid runs or sag. Wag mo daw i-apply ng makapal masyado para maabot yung runs or sag. Ito ata yung mga imperfection na ano, yung imperfection na pagpintura, yung like for example, yung parang i-steady mo lang, parang may bukol-bukol, yung ganun something. Okay? Number 6, check for color uniformly. Inspect under good. Ito siya, naranasan ko to kay Sir Jeffrey, no? Yung sasakyan daw kasi, ano ba yun siya? Wigo ba yun? Wigo. Yung kami, Wigo Color Red. Nakalimutan ko na ata kung ano yung brand ng ano niya. Ito siya, yung sir namin is nagkakandak siya ng repainting sa vehicle. Yung vehicle kasi is yung kulay niya is red. Red. Tapos nun, akala ni sir yung pag-mix na ng kulay is okay na. But suddenly, hindi siya tama. Kasi yung nagawa ng sir namin is kulay maroon. Parang maroon siya. Hindi, malayo talaga yung agwat ng red at saka maroon. Kaya, yun, nagkandak ulit ng ni-retouch ulit, liha na naman. Okay, sorry for that. Niliha agad, liha na naman ulit, tapos apply na naman ng coating kasi yung kulay kasi is hindi nagmamatch sa kulay ng first color. Okay, magkaiba kasi yung red at saka maroon, although same naman sila color but different sila ng texture. Okay, if needed, apply a fourth coat to achieve even coverage. So ito siya, if needed lang, if necessary, ng a fourth coating to achieve even coverage. So para ma-achieve daw yung tunay na kulay, kung gusto mo, optional lang kasi ito if needed, mga emergency daw, mga ganun something. Okay, so let it flush dry. So allow the base coat to dry until matte and not sticky. So yung pagbe-base coat, hintayin mo daw siya tumuyo at saka magiging matte para hindi na siya magdikit-dikit. Kumbaga parang hindi pa siya fully dry, yung mga ganun. Next, do not sand the base coat unless there's a defect. Ito naman dito, do not sand daw the base coat kung may defect daw. Hindi naman necessary na magsasan ka kung wala namang defect. Dapat kung magsasan ka pag may mga damage or yung mga uneven surface para mag-balance. Pwede mo nga yung lagyan ng body filler. Pwede din para mag-balance yung uneven surface. Okay? So the final step, apply clear coat. Apply 2 to 3 layer of clear coat for shine and protection. Ito na yung final coating. Ito na yung tinatawag natin na top coat. Okay, yung type coat daw, pwede kang mag-apply ng 2 to 3 layer para makuha mo yung clear coat. For shine and protection na din sa init. Yan yung ibig sabihin nito ng final coating. Okay. Next. Okay, thank you. That's all my topic. So I hope you learn something from me. And sana basta yun na yun. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and listening about my topic. Okay, sana may matutunan kayo. Kung may mga questions kayo, clarifications, or violent reaction, just comment down below so I can able answer that your questions. So that's all. Mabuhay. Adios.